In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Google reverse image search on mobile app. Let's get started. First, launch your Google app. Along with the search bar, you're going to find this camera kind of icon. Click on that. Now you'll have two options. Tap the camera shutter icon to snap a photo of something around you. Tap the image icon in the bottom left corner to open your camera roll. Then select the image you want to search with. I'm going to use the second method. I'm going to select this picture from my gallery. Google will automatically detect objects and text in your image. You'll see a white box showing what Google plans to search for. Drag the corners of the box, resize or reposition it. This helps Google focus on the exact part of the image you want to search. If you want to refine your search, tap Add to Search and enter extra keywords. This helps Google understand what you are looking for more accurately. Google's AI will then display an overview of the detected objects, relevant information about what's in the image, visual matches, possible product matches, and exact image results if available. Tap AI mode in the top left corner. Google Gemini AI will provide an intelligent summary of the image and explain what it may contain. If you have questions, use the Ask Anything text box at the bottom to continue exploring. And that's all it takes to use Google reverse image search on a phone or Android device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.